Hello children, welcome to our world through English. So today we are having a new unit 5A. We are going to start our new unit 5A reading, that is plant a tree. So previously we discussed about the brave warrior Tanaji Malsari and how he became a brave warrior. Finally, what happened in the end of the story? They won the Sinhagad fort, and we discussed, right? So today we are going to start a new unit 5, and the first lesson is plant a tree. Plant a tree. You know that trees are very, very useful things in our life, right? Without trees, there will be no life. So trees are very, very useful. Trees are very, very essential for us, and trees are very, very important for our life. So let me have introduction. Just look at the picture. Maybe some you are finding some picture in the textbook, right? Just look at the textbook and understand. Here you are finding a picture. Maybe some of you got a package, you bought some textbooks from your from the school. You bought school textbooks. Some you got textbooks from your elders, so that is maybe fine. So just look at the textbook. You are finding a picture. Are you finding a picture here? So maybe look at it clearly. So when you have seen here, there was a tree, right? So there was a tree and a father with a hammer, and he is ready to he was with the axe, and he was ready to chop down the tree. And what the wife and the children were doing here? So wife and children were stopping. So see, look at the wife. She hugged the tree and said that no, no, and daughters were saying that no, daddy, no, 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 right? And father was ready to chop down the tree with the axe. So now we can find, so what made them to do like? Because trees are very, very important in our life. Trees are very, very important in our life. Why? Because trees plays an important role in our lives. So let me ask a question for you before going into the lesson. So how trees are useful for you in your daily life? If you are in the class, maybe for getting these answers only, the one period will take, because everybody have to say some reasons how trees are useful for you. So now you are not in the class, virtual classes, even I will guess some answers, what is going in your mind, right? So how trees are useful for you, my dear children, means, yes, can you guess? Yeah, trees will give you fruits of bob, because fruits are very, very important nowadays. Fruits, vegetables, next flowers, especially girls, flowers, next medicine, very good. Next, how trees will be useful? A medicine we are getting, flowers we are getting, fruits we are getting. Next, makeup kits, yeah, powders. Most important, you forgot that. Most important thing you forgotten. That is oxygen. Very good. You are saying everything correctly. Okay. Oxygen. Next. Oh, very good. Rains. Yes, somebody is thinking rains. For you, you got rains, so I written rains here. Next, any other change? Any other things from your plants? What you will get in the from plants? Next. Oxygen you will get, rains you will get, powders you are getting, next fruits, vegetables you are getting. Next, any other things? Guess if anything you will get. Anything? What is this? What is that? Wood, made up of wood. So with the help of trees you will get wood. And with the help of wood we can have a furniture, right? So maybe you said all correctly. So all we covered. So with the help of trees, what we will get means, trees will give us fruits, very, very important one. Vegetables we will get, flowers will get, medicine we will get by plants, eucalyptus plants, right? So medical plants were there. And next aloe vera is there, aloe vera. Next powders we will get, oxygen we will get, means air we will get, rains we will get, rainfall, exactly, rainfall. Wood we will get, and the furniture, board, a sofa, dining table, and the TV tables, and sofa sets, beds, cots, and many things, ladders, and benches. In the school we will get in the benches. So everything we are getting with the help of trees, right? So trees are very, very important, right? So let us start. Maybe you said everything, all the points you said, so nothing to explain in the lesson. What we written here, what you said, everything you will get in the lesson. So maybe you got understood about the lesson. So plant a tree. So lesson name is plant a tree. So plant a tree means nothing but plant a tree, nothing but plant a tree, because we should plant tree, because if you plant tree you will get fruits, you will get vegetables, you will get flowers, you will get medicine, you will get wood, you will get rains, you will get oxygen, you will get powders, you will get furniture, maybe anything you may get. So what you have to do, simply plant a tree. During your birthdays, most of the days during your birthdays, at least take a plant and plant it, because on your birthday you are giving life to many people, because they will get food, flowers, everything. So that is very, very important. Okay, let me start the lesson. Plant a tree. So now trees are the most useful things in the world. So trees are the most useful things in the world. How the trees are very, very useful in this world, how the trees are most useful things in the world means, because maybe you are a children. So what the children will do, children play under them. So when I was in the school, when I was a small boy, I used to play under the tree, because we used to climb the tree. Some people will climb, I don't know how to climb the tree. So I used to play under the tree by sitting under the shade of the tree. So we will play, and somebody will throw the sticks, and we sit in the shade of the tree. So we will play under we will round and round, we will tree. So we will round around the tree by touching and playing the game. So we will also enjoy that. Children will play under the tree. Traveler rest in their cool shade. For example, you are going on a bicycle or cycle, your father and you or someone. So during the summer season, especially during the summer season, so when we are going in the bike, a car or bike or anything, so after going some time, we want to take rest immediately. Where we will stop? We will stop in the full mid-sun. Where we will stop? We will see a shade of a tree, and we will keep our car or bike there, and we will take rest for some time. We will enjoy the nature, we will get fresh air, cool air, then again we will start, right? So we will do the same, right? So travelers will take rest in their cool shade. Trees gives us fruit to eat. So you written already, you said fruits, right? So trees will give us fruit to eat, and firewood too. So already you said wood, firewood to burn. So from the birth to death, trees are useful. So next, we build houses and make furniture. Oh, you said furniture also. We build houses and make furniture with the wood of the trees. So with the wood of the trees, you are having everything. You are having everything. So we need trees for our life. So if we want to live, we want to get food, we are getting houses, we are getting furniture, everything with the help of trees. So to live in this world, we need trees. If there were no trees, there would be no life on earth. So it is also one of the biggest question, that is, if there is no trees, there will be no life on earth. Why? Because trees are giving what? They're giving living things, people and animals, breath in air. They breathe in air, oxygen, from oxygen, and breath out carbon dioxide. Why there was no life means, if there were no trees, where we will get oxygen? Who will give oxygen for us? Without trees. What the trees will do? See here, we have a picture. Let me draw you that. There we have a big tree. don't, I know you know not about, I am not a good artist, so you know very well about me. So it is a big tree. So it is a big tree. So what the trees will do, there is a process, and we are the human beings. Let me draw the picture here. Human beings. We are the human beings. We are here, right? So what we will release? We will release carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. And what trees will release? Trees will release oxygen. Okay, this process will be called as photosynthesis. So what the trees will do, it will take carbon dioxide from us, and with the help of starch and sunlight, it will give oxygen to human beings. So that is a process called photosynthesis. In this process, we have to give carbon dioxide, it has to give oxygen. So if there is no trees, there will be no life on earth. At the same time, if we were not there, we and the animals were not there, means trees automatically it will die, right? Because of they won't get carbon dioxide. So same thing here, not only from us, so they will get from some other sources. So finally, if there were no trees, there will be no life, because if there were no trees, who will give us oxygen? Where will get oxygen? You can say, sir, we have oxygen cylinders. How many days you can survive with oxygen cylinders? How many days you can survive with oxygen cylinders? 1 day you can, or 2 days, 3 days, 1 year, or 2 years. After that, will you? No. So trees are very, very important in our lives. So try to plant trees in your life. So trees, from the birth to death, trees are very, very useful. So let me say a small story here. So there was a plant. So there was a tree. So what is there? There was a tree. Let me draw the tree again here. There was a tree, and with the fruits. So every day one small boy used to come and to play under that tree, under the shade of a tree. So every day the boy was going and playing with the other tree. So tree also very, very happy, because the boy was coming to look at the tree, and the boy was every day playing under the tree. So the tree was very, very happy, and the tree was saying that, my dear boy, I love you so much, because every day you are coming to me, every day you are playing under me, you are talking to me, you are my good friend. So every day both the boy and the tree were playing each other and enjoying. Okay, so one day what happened, every day the boy used to play under the tree. Sometimes he used to go up, and sometimes he used to eat fruits. So one day the boy want money. What he want? He wanted money. So when the boy want money, immediately the tree said, how can I give you money? I am not a money plant. If you have take my leaves, you won't get money. So but I give you a solution. What I will, you just take my fruits. You take my fruits and sell in the market, you will get money. You will get money. So when he got money, what happened? He got more friends. So he stopped coming to the tree. He stopped coming to the tree, not coming to the tree. So after many days, 2-3 years completed, money has been finished. So now he wanted to get married. He want to get married. So what you want now? You want to get married. So he want to construct a house. What he want to construct? A house. So everybody was coming. They are saying, I have no house. So I want house. So slowly he went to tree. Again he went to tree, and the tree was very, very happy, because the boy was coming to me. Oh, my dear friend was coming to me. My friend is coming to me. Then immediately the boy was very, very sad. The boy became young man. So young man was very, very sad, and he was not talking to anything to the tree. Then immediately the tree asked, my dear friend, what happened to you? Why you are upset? Why you are upset? Immediately he said, I want to get married, because I have to get a wife, to start a family life. For that I want a house. I want a house. I want a house. Then immediately the tree said, okay, my dear friend, you don't worry. Take my branches. What the tree said? Take my branches. So first what happened? Fruits. Later branches up to here. So now the tree was like this. Take my branches. What the boy did, the young man took the branches and he constructed a house. And living happily with his wife. Slowly again started. So he started earning money and he was going for business. So to go from one place to another place, he need a boat. So no boat, no journey to one place to another place to get a business. So he was again worried. The young man became a man, family man, so little bit older. So now he was very upset and he was going near to the tree. The tree was very happy. So many years after, my dear man, my dear friend, after many years you are coming to me. Come, I am very happy. But the man was very sad. What happened? What the man was saying? Man was saying very simple things, that what happened. Again I was very sad. Why? Because I need a boat to construct I need a boat to go from one place to another place to go for trading. So immediately what the man did, okay, tree said, okay my dear friend, you don't worry, take my stem. Take my stem. Take my stem. So what was there? Take was my stem. So nothing was there. Take my stem. So the man took the stem of the tree and he cut the trunk. We can call trunk. So he took the trunk and he went everything and he constructed a boat and he left to business and he earned money and he is not coming back to the tree. So how the tree was? Nothing was there. And many years after, he became old man. So when he was coming near the tree, and the tree saying that, my dear friend, I have nothing left. You have taken my fruits, my branches, my trunk, everything was left. Nothing was there with me to give you, just a small one. Then immediately the old man said, okay, I don't want anything because I become very old man now. I want to sit. So stand firm and I will sit on you. Then the tree was very strong and the old man sat on the tree. So from the birth to death of humans, trees are useful. From the birth to death of the trees are useful for human beings. See how they were useful. But what we are doing, we are not giving any thankful to the trees, because we are simply using trees and we are not even stand. For example, if you chop one tree, if you start planting another tree, if this plant will grow up, then again you can make it clear and later you can go. So we should plant trees. If you plant more trees, you will get more fruits, more vegetables, more flowers, more medicine, more powders, more oxygen, more rains, more wood, more furniture. So we will get everything. So no problem for that. So we will get anything clearly. So what is the problem? What is the mistake here means? We should understand that clearly, very clearly here. Trees are very useful. So without trees, there was no life. Without trees, no life. Without trees, no life. So let me continue. So trees, what the trees were giving? Trees were giving oxygen to us and we are giving carbon dioxide to the trees. So if all the oxygen in the air was used up by leaving only carbon dioxide, what would happen to all of us? For example, if all oxygen in the air was used up by living only carbon dioxide, what would be happen? For example, all oxygen was there, all trees were died, only carbon dioxide. We will take carbon dioxide. What will happen next? We will die. Everybody will die. So but trees help us to live. Trees will help us to live. Without trees there was no life. So trees are helping us to live in this world. Trees are helping us to live in this earth. So they breathe in the carbon dioxide from the air and let the oxygen out into the air. So what they were doing here, they were taking the carbon dioxide. So CO2, they were taking CO2 and with the help of stars means from the sunlight, from water, it was taking carbon dioxide and it is giving oxygen. It is releasing oxygen for us. So that process is called as photosynthesis. The preparing of food of trees is called photosynthesis with the help of sunlight and with the help of water. What it is doing here? It is releasing carbon dioxide, oxygen for us. So when it is releasing oxygen for us, so we are taking oxygen from where? With the help of trees. If there was no trees, there will be no life, because if there was no trees, from where we will get oxygen? If there were no oxygen, where we will live? We will take only carbon dioxide and finally we will die. So that was the problem. Okay, so now with the help of sunlight, they break up carbon dioxide into carbon and oxygen. So for example, C plus O2. C means carbon and oxygen. So with the help of sunlight and sunlight, what they will do? They will separate carbon and oxygen and they will release oxygen for us, and they will use the carbon to make starch and let the oxygen out into the air. So what they will do finally, for example, here is CO2. What they will do? They will take carbon and they will out oxygen for us. So they will release oxygen into the air. So when they release oxygen into the air, what we are doing here? We are taking that oxygen. We are taking that oxygen and we are surviving. But finally, what is the use here? Without trees, there will be no oxygen. So with the help of trees, we are getting oxygen. But what we are doing here? Are we supporting, are we planting trees, or are we chopping down the trees? So what you are doing and what we are doing, it is very, very important to plant trees. So if you plant a tree, what you will get? Most importantly, we will get oxygen. So if you plant a tree in your home or in the compound of your house, then you will get fresh air. With the help of trees, you will get fresh air, and most importantly, you will get maybe fruit means fruit, vegetable means vegetables, flower means flowers, or medicine means medicines, or oxygen means oxygen. Definitely you will get rains. You will get, because if you have more trees, you can identify most in the hill places, mountains, who are having more forests, there will get more rains. Why? Because the trees will release the vapor up, then it will go up and it will give more rains in the forest places. So that is the reason why forest will get more rains daily. Maybe there is a chance for getting rains daily in the forest. So that is the problem. So more rains if you have more trees. If you have more trees in your garden, you will get rain only in the house. Maybe it will happen because if you have more trees. And next, wood we will get. When the trees are going to be more age, you can chop the branches and you can construct houses. You can construct, you can make furniture, you can make tables, you can make chairs, you can make tables, dinner tables, anything you can make. So trees, from the birth to death of humans, from the birth to death of trees are very, very essential and they were useful for us. So you take care of your trees. If you take care of trees, you are taking care about your life. So take care of life. Without trees there was no life, and take care of trees, because if you are taking care of trees means you are taking care of your life, right? So if you take care of your life, trees, you are taking care of life. So then same, take care of trees, then you can save your life. If you save trees, trees will save you. So that's what we discussed. So save trees and save life. So without trees there was no life. So taking care of trees, you are taking care of your life. So today we discuss how plants are useful for us. So plant will give fruits, vegetables, flowers, medicine, powders, oxygen, rains, wood and furniture. So how they were giving oxygen for us means they are taking carbon dioxide from humans and they are making us in the respiration process. We will release carbon dioxide, they will release oxygen. So we are taking and we are giving. So in the process we are getting carbon dioxide and oxygen we are getting, and we are surviving this world. So planting trees is very, very important in our lives. Okay children, we will discuss next in the next classes. So that is today's class. I hope you enjoyed about the planting a tree, and thank you very much. Meet you in the next class. Until then, stay home and stay safe. Have a great day. Meet you in the next class. Until then, bye bye.